Well, another beautiful day to go fishing. About to go meet up with the fellas, getting my poles, getting my kayak, everything I need. About to go try to pull out a monster. I need 8 pound or better. 8 pound or better, that's what we're looking for. Oh yeah, got the kayak. About to load up on the truck. First off, I gotta get some of this stuff off the truck. Got too much on here. Well, gotta stop by the bait and tackle store. Gotta get some worms. Bait and tackle. I hit the pond, man. Yeah, boy. Trying to find something now. We got a pond that we normally fish at, but we just out here in the country just looking at pond, you feel me? Tell nobody. Oh yeah. Trying to make it to the pond. Coming through the woods. Got the kayaks and all, you feel me? I'm back here trying to support. Gotta watch my head, make sure no snake fall on me, you know what I'm saying? We out here. Oh, shit. The kayak, we're gone. There you go. You see her. She's coming up. She's definitely coming up. Lay back. Lay back in the back. Ah. Lay back in the back. About to jump in the kayak. Well, made it on back here. Let me see them cutters. Mm-hmm. Right, we finally made it out here, y'all.
Look like I can fish.
Supposed to be out here 2 hours ago, but we out here. Happy Memorial Day. We appreciate all the soldiers that went down, that made it possible for us to do this today.
R.I.P. Melee.
Huh?
I'm a vet. Lamar a vet. Yup.
My dogs. About to hit this water. Stay tuned, we'll be back. And we out here. Out here on the yike. You see it? Trying to bring them in. I gotta change up my bait. Change my bait. Give me a second. Let's see what we got in here. Try. See what this do. Yeah, something got to grab. Was it there? Let's go back. Take me 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 back. One more back. Well, didn't catch nothing but a brim at that pond. Getting out, going to the next. Kayak boy, trying to make it. Just a kayak boy, and I'm out here fishing. Kayak boy. Yeah. The military boy, that boy. He clearing the path. I'm the gunner. I'm the gunner. He clearing the path for us. What the hell? Got him up out of there. Whew. There you go. Got my first monster. Ooh. Hey. Hey, second one. A little bigger, a little bassy, a little sassy. Number 3. Counting them up now. That's what I'm fishing with. Count 2 of them with it. One for the third. Got another one. Got another one. Come on in. Yeah. I ain't playing with you. I ain't playing with you. Huh? Yeah. You see him? Got the 30. 30 birdie. 30 birdie. Now stay on over there. Stay on over there. $30 birdie. $30 birdie. I had to hang him up. Another little sandwich, another little sandwich. Huh? That's what we got going on here. Pulled in a few of them. A few. It was an alright day. Could have been better, but hey, got some. But hey, till next time, we'll holler. That's what we're gonna do, y'all. I done made it back home. I got the fish. I'm gonna just take them and throw them in my pond, you feel me? Going out there feed my pond with them. We always out here fishing, so get them right. Little still alive. Yeah, man. Let's get him off of here. Perfect. Look up. You home. Yeah. Get up out there. Get up, buddy. Good. You almost back. You almost back. There you go. You got life. Huh? Get on out there, boy. Get on out there, boy.